Good morning, Alexa. Why did you wake up so late?
Good morning, Amanda. Oh, I was watching movie last night, so got up so late.
Oh, Alexa, do you wake up every day at this time?
Oh, Amanda, generally I wake up very late. But why are you asking this? Oh, Alexa, getting late every day is not good. Let me tell you a story about it. Sun God, after seeing people waking up so late in the morning and wasting their half of the day, got really angry. He thought, oh, every day I come on time and see people sleeping. He questioned himself, why do I come when these people insults me every day? He went to Rain God and confessed his feeling. Rain God thought of a plan and asked Sun God not to come for some days. And he asked Sun God, let me rain. From next morning onwards, the sun didn't come. And it rained the whole day. It rained, and rained for so many days. And soon the earth was flooded.
Oh, really, Amanda? So the earth drowned?
Oh, yes, Alexa, the earth was drowned. And now the people were getting worried and they started praying the rain god. They prayed, oh rain god, please stop the rain. Rain god appeared in front of them and told people about his conversation with the sun god. People got astonished to hear this and really felt bad. People prayed to sun god to forgive them. Sun god appeared and asked them, promise me, from now onwards, you people will wake up on time. People promised to do so. So from next day onwards, Sun God came and felt really happy seeing people greeting him so well. People were jogging in the morning, walking, doing yoga, doing prayers, etc. Alexa, after hearing this story, what did you learn?
I learned a lesson that early to bed makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise.